Welcome traders, I'm Adam Harris and this is your opening bell. So in terms of news, so it's Tuesday, January the 24th, and in terms of scheduled news, we've got a lot coming out of the UK at 9:30 a.m. So Composite PMI, this is all preliminary figures, manufacturing, services, and we've got Lagarde speaking out of European Central Bank for the European Central Bank at 9:45. So pretty much a lot of activity for the UK and for Europe, but before 10 a.m. Then when we get along to the earnings, so there's quite a lot, in fact, there's the most here I've ever had to read out. So I'm going to take a big breath and just read them out and see how we do. So in terms of earnings for today, we have Microsoft, J&J, Verizon, Texas Instruments, Raytheon Technologies, Lockheed Martin, General Electric, 3M, Halliburton, Associated British Foods, and Logitech. Okay, all right, I was able to do it. And dividends, we have Dell Technologies, Krispy Kreme, and Lowe's. So quite a bit of earnings coming out today. Relatively, quiet news day, not expecting too much from that. And if we have a look at what's going on in the markets, this is where it gets genuinely interesting. One of the key themes of 2022 was how the dollar was just driving everything. It literally had control over commodities, it was impacting currencies, it was impacting cryptos, you name it, bonds as well. There was just such control over it. And what I'm seeing right now at the moment is a really nice sort of uncoupling of that. My expectation is to see a stronger dollar today. We can see euros looking, particularly it closed with a very bearish candle last night. We've got sterling's looking a bit weak. We've got dollar Swissie, dollar yen are looking quite bullish. So I expect them to attempt to gain ground with the dollar today. And then if I have a look at, for example, Euro Swissie, I expect that to attempt to continue with its trend towards parity and beyond. With gold, it's stalling a bit. Silver started to break to the downside, so that's hinting again at a stronger dollar. We look at crude oils. Crude oils are looking fine. They're going to keep going. They're looking somewhat bullish, but also stalling a bit because if we get that stronger dollar, that's going to take a bit of a hit. Then when we get to the indices are looking very nice and bullish. They had a killer day yesterday. Equities as well, for the most part, had phenomenal days yesterday. It was a really nice, big, strong day. So I'm not really seeing any signs of expecting any weakness today from them. The only ones that are looking a bit iffy are the bonds. 10-year T-notes, Eurobonds are looking as though they are struggling with resistance, and then we've got cryptos are also looking kind of due for, they need a correction, a little bit of a correction, but the trends are looking otherwise strong. My point is this, that we are seeing a mixture of things. We are seeing equities looking nice and strong, commodities taking a bit of a breather, dollars doing a bit of a move in the currency markets, and we're seeing a bit of that kind of, everything is doing its own thing, and that's a really good thing. It means the market is in a healthy state of mind. So there's definitely some opportunities for trend traders today with the trend. Equities are looking very good in terms of opportunities, continuation opportunities today. That is my dog yelling at the door. I'm going to leave you with that, but I'm excited about today and excited about the general state of the market. There's not a sense of any kind of fear in the markets or any kind of panic-driven behavior. So this is all looking really good. So I want to wish you a fantastic day, and I will chat to you in future videos.